Well, believe it or not, a video game or the video game industry has won its first Oscar. Yeah, as in the Academy Awards. Colette, it's called Colette, a short film featured in the Oculus VR game Medal of Honor Above and Beyond, has won this year's Academy Award for Best Documentary Short Subject. Now, this was directed by Anthony Giacchino, Italiano, I think he's Italian. Colette features a French resistance survivor, Colette Marine Catherine, returning to Germany for the first time since the end of World War II to visit a slave labor camp. And it says here at the bottom that Medal of Honor, and I have not heard of this game, by the way, but it says here Medal of Honor Above and Beyond was not well received as a video game, with the meta reviews highlighting its huge system requirements, 170 gigabyte installation size. Much of it, of course, to the inclusion of the extensive historical and documentary footage. It says here, now that one of those films has won an Oscar, the project may get more positive attention than before. Well, cool. I'm still waiting for the first Halo movie that was back in development back in 2007, 2008. Look, this is proof that there is interest out there in video games, right? Hail the Master Chief.